Thank you, Mr. Roberts. And for our next speaker, I'd like to invite the President of the UK Uyghur community, Murray.
Hello everyone, friends, sisters, brothers, media, Member of Parliament and everyone who believes in freedom and safety. So we are here today because this proposed Chinese mega embassy, it's not normal diplomacy. It's a power project, and for Uyghurs in the UK, it presents a direct real threat. Uyghurs know what repression looks like. In our homeland, we cannot protest, we cannot speak without risking detention, disappearance or worse. Uyghurs in the UK have been followed, filmed at peaceful demonstrations and intimidated into silence. Some are afraid to show their faces because they know what transnational repression looks like. Pressure here, punishment there. When you can threaten someone's loved ones overseas, you don't need to arrest them in Britain. You just need to frighten them. That's why this mega embassy matters. A larger, more fortified, more resource compound is not just a building. It means more capacity, more civilians, more monitoring, more intimidation. It will deepen fear in our community and shrink our rights in practice, not by changing British law, but by making people too afraid to use it. And let's be clear, this is not only an Uyghur issue. This is British national security and sovereignty issue. If any foreign authoritarian state can intimidate communities inside the UK, then British authority over its own public life is weakened. If protesters can be monitored, if critics can be pressured, if people self-censor out of fear, then free speech and democratic participation are being eroded. Today, it's Uyghur, Hong Kongers, Tibetan, Taiwanese activists, Chinese dissident, journalists, academics, but tomorrow even British elected officials who speaks up. So we ask the British government, whose safety matters, will the UK defend the rights to protest without intimidation? Will it protect communities targeted by foreign repression? Or will it allow fear to quietly take root in London? We say today clear, no to intimidation, no to civilians, no to transnational repression on British soil, no to Chinese mega embassy. And we say yes to freedom, safety, and the right to speak without fear. We will say clearly to Chinese government that you will not stop us to fight for our freedom and our human rights. No to mega embassy! No to mega embassy! No